22 feet.
Yeah, right there.
They're here, baby. Just doing some scanning, and hopefully we can. I want to see more than that, and then we'll anchor up. If we see at least 5 of them, we'll anchor up and we'll start fishing.
Yep. Welcome back, y'all. Check it out. We out here fishing. I'm out here with Captain Mike. Happy New Year, you guys. This is the first time fishing now since last year. couple weeks ago. Yeah, but we out here checking it out, man. We're marking some fish already. Stay tuned. Let's see how we do out here, y'all. All right, you know where we at. We are in the sluice. Nice place right here. Check it out. All right, stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch a fish right now. Check it out, fellas. We just launched our rods out there. We got 2 rods each. I got both of my rods out there. Mike's getting set up. We're using ghost shrimp and grass shrimp. We'll see what hits out here. Marking some fish on the radar. It's good. Here's the gunshots. People doing duck hunting out here too. Nice day, a little windy. A little cool. We're good. Yep, check it out. All right, stay tuned. See you on a fish. Yeah, fellas, we're marking some activity. Got some fish on the radar. We're set up. We got our 4 rods out there. We're using ghost shrimp and grass shrimp. You guys can see that's our bait right there. That's what we're using. We just gotta wait for the fish to get hungry so they could bite. So they could take a bite out of our bait. We're giving them everything they like out here. We're giving buff combos.
Yep.
Check out Mike. He's setting up over there.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I'm excited. I was here yesterday. Didn't catch anything. So we're gonna bring Richard here. Hopefully he's gonna be our lucky charm right now. So we're gonna land us both some sturgeon. So stick around, baby.
Yeah. What do you guys think about that, man? He's been on a mission, man. He's doing pretty good.
I am determined. I am determined to get this damn sturgeon. We need to get him.
Yeah.
Now, so yeah.
He liked it so much that he's determined comes out here every weekend. What did you landed like 3?
I tried to. No, I haven't got a lot.
No, last year before the end of the year you did pretty good.
I got 2.
2 of them.
Last month of December actually, I landed 2 in the month. So I've never caught them actually. So this is, what was it? Actually, yeah, December was when I first actually started getting into it, and I actually landed my first sturgeon.
Yeah.
So that was cool. So now I'm really determined and excited to keep catching them. These are fun fish to catch. I love them.
Yep. So he's hooked, you guys. Yeah, go check out his channel. I'll put a link down in the description down below. Go subscribe to his channel, you guys. Give him a like. Subscribe to his channel. Let him know you came from my channel. Tell him what's up. And yeah, go check out his videos where he catches those fish, man. So yeah, he's definitely hooked. We're out here fishing.
Thank you.
So
yeah.
Stay tuned. Let's see what we can catch today, y'all. All right. That's how we do it, y'all. Check it out. Stay tuned. We'll be giving you some tips to the videos.
There they are. They're coming. Look at that.
Check this out, fellas. Let me show you something.
They're here. We just got to get that bite, that hookup, baby.
What do you guys think that is right there?
That's a big one.
That's a oversized. That's a free wheelie right there. I mean, like I said, I don't know what that is. That's a wheelie.
Ooh, we're just waiting now.
Or Wally. Whatever.
Damn. It was right there.
Nice, man. All right, stay tuned, y'all. It's back. Look at that whale on the screen. Wow.
It's a big one.
The whole screen.
Come on, we got 4 rods in the water, baby. Gotta hook up.
I kind of feel like that too, because you know what? At the beginning of this tide, they bit, right? And now, since then, I haven't really seen anything, you know? You told me yesterday they didn't bite on this side, right?
So we're getting their information, man. They're giving us info.
Hopefully it helps.
Hopefully it helps. I wonder what they're talking about with the bridge.
Ah, and the sun is out. We're still waiting, guys. This god dang sturgeon is a mother. Just waiting, playing the game. Holy crap, the sun's out. It's gonna be a good day, I hope.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can both land some fish. We're still waiting.
Now they're gonna be able to see it. So
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We've been getting some bites on some stripers, but it's not what we're after, baby. No, 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 no. We don't want the stripers. I'll take them. It's not what I want, but can't be picky, right? So
yep.
stick around. Let's see what we can catch, baby. See you in a bit. Fishing, baby. Yeah. So I'm just fishing all along. Well, at least now I know not to go to that little spot.
Yeah.
Fuck anything up. That's why I saw that anchor.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's what that was.
That's my setup. Make it look like shrimpy.
Make it look tasty.
Tasty and shrimpy.
We're gonna go back to our first spot where we were first this morning. Give that shot give it a last go. We got a couple hours. Probably got actually maybe what time is it? We got about an hour before we lose daylight. So we're gonna go back to that spot, fish it till it gets dark. Well, before it gets dark, little sundown, whatever it is. But give it a shot. See you guys when we get there.
Stay tuned, man. You're determined.
Yeah, we need to get one of us need to get this damn sturgeon.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Man, so difficult.
But it's fun.
Yeah. Done. This sturgeon got the best of us.
Yeah.
For sure. Kicked our ass.
One of the roughest days today.
And we're still marking. We just can't get any bites. I don't know what it is. Oh wow.
Bunch of fish, but they're not hungry, you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Determination though, we're out here.
That's for sure.
I like the light though. Helps out a lot.
I had some lights on the boat, but I don't know what happened. I blew a fuse. I got rid of my wiring.
Yep.
So, like always, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya.
Want to keep going for a little longer?
I don't know. Check that out, fellas. Mike's calling it a day. We were out here fishing Montezuma Sluice. We got 3 more shrimp for bait.
Yeah.
Should we use it? Should we go home?
I'm like considering staying still until we use all the bait because we're still marking them. I mean, look at the screen.
Check that
They're
out.
on the floor.
There's one right there and the one on the floor. And one on top.
But I don't know. It's a hard decision. I mean, I just pulled this up right now and it's nice and clean. No grass or anything. It's nothing wrong with it at all whatsoever.
Yep. So I don't know, fellas. I think we should use up those 3 shrimps that we got left over. And that's gonna be it, y'all. But yep. Stay tuned. Stick around. We're gonna be determined. So we'll be back at it.
Yeah.
We don't give up. That's
No.
the thing. So yep. All right. See you guys later. Catch you next time.
I don't think it's a keeper. Stop moving. Stop it.
Let me see. Look at that.
Yeah. Took us a while.
Took us a while, but we got a
I'll
fish.
tell you what we were going for, but hey, it's all good, man. Caught some. Can't complain. I don't think that's 18, is it?
Nah.
Nah. No. I'm just curious, but
Curious.
I don't catch a whole lot of stripers.
It's about
So-
16.
Ooh, scared me. Yeah, 16.
16. Called it.
Back there. Stop moving.
Yep.
15 and a half.
16. No, 16.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
16 and a little bit over 16.
Well, see him later.
No skunk, y'all.
Yep.
12-hour fish right there.
Right?
Catch you next time. Yep. No skunk, Mike.
Yeah.
At least you could go home and say that you didn't get skunk today. Both days, right?
Yeah. That's true. Both days. Yeah.
All right. That's how we do it.